Hey, how you doing? Are you thinking of moving abroad? You need to take a look at this now.
Welcome to AWM. If you're here, it is because you are thinking about moving abroad. You may be tired of high food and gas prices, the political climate, social unrest, and just not feeling safe. So you're looking at options abroad. I don't blame you. After all, this is your life. AWM will use their experiences as a family that has lived abroad almost 5 years to help you to relax because you know what to prioritize, to exhale because you now have a thorough to-do list, and to smile when you connect with others like you who have experience living abroad. Even if you're only thinking about moving abroad, AWM services and tools will help you make the right decision for yourself. AWM helps you remove the fear of the unknown. You want to know if you and your family are ready? AWM helps you figure that out. You don't know where to begin or how to get started. You wonder what a different culture will feel like and how in the world do you plan for it? And the all-important question, can we really afford to live abroad? The whole idea of moving abroad can be quite overwhelming unless you've got someone experienced and organized who can help you walk through the process. And we know that it's true, that organization is the number one thing, no matter what you're doing, but especially when relocating to a new country. They've had successes and connections so far in Rwanda, Kigali, the cleanest city in Africa, land of 1,000 hills, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, nicknamed Bongo because of the hustle of Africa's next megacity. Zanzibar, the Spice Islands, a wondrous island of old narrow streets and new developments. Botswana. Botswana has had one of the fastest growth rates in per capita income in the world. El Salvador, affordable cost of living and improved safety conditions, geologically close to the US. Nairobi, Kenya, and Green City in the sun. English is spoken here. Johannesburg, South Africa, most like America, the city of gold. Now let's see what some of their clients have to say.
I got a lot out of this. It felt very good to be with somebody that can tell you what I need to do next. Very transparent. I like how your husband kept saying he was transparent.
This was almost, I feel like it was tailor-made for me. And so I'm leaving feeling like I have a handle on being able to move comfortably. It's taken the level of stress and anxiety off of me.
This is most helpful in many ways. The integrity that your entire family present, I really enjoy. I like that. I mean, because it just resonates and allows me to say, I feel comfortable, I feel safe with making certain types of decisions and stuff like that because of the wealth of information that you provide. I like that. And it's very concrete, systematic. So I appreciate that.
That's what I call success for me, a successful workshop. And so for that, I am greatly appreciative. Thank you so much.
Very, very good. I thank you so much for the downloads, the printed sheets.
Thank you very much.
Now imagine yourself for a second in a new country. You're experiencing a totally different culture. You're living a life that maybe you've always dreamed of. What would that look like? What would that feel like for you? AWM will help you get there. Visit them today on YouTube, Awaken with Mark, or their store link in the description.
Congratulations for landing on this page that changes your life. We invite you to join us at the Move Abroad in 3 Easy Steps workshop. This workshop, as I said, it's going to change your life. How's it going to do that? The Move Abroad workshop is a 2-hour workshop that our family created to teach people awareness to their foundational reasons for moving abroad. Those foundational reasons are knowing your why, operating within budget, and taking ownership by learning to do the research yourself. Look, everything we've done in life, we did it with the awareness that these foundational reasons, again, why, budget, and research are the keys to success. If you think you're scared to leave, you need to make sure that your why is very clear. If you won't move because you think there isn't enough money to make it, budgeting is your answer. Let's say you have what you think is a visa/citizenship problem. You don't have that problem. What you have is a research problem. And if you can't decide on a target country, a destination, because you keep on changing your mind, the problem is that you have a need for an objective system that you can execute, and you'll get that with us. In the Move Abroad workshop in 3 easy steps, we will work with you for those 2 hours and teach you the significance of the 3 values and the important aspects of each one of them. At the end of the 2 hours, you're going to have a plan on how to get started with your move abroad. Looky, we have literally had people that followed our plan, and they've done things like taken a scouting trip to El Salvador, visited Tanzania. Heck, they moved to East Africa, scouted out Kenya, and all in all, saved thousands of dollars. We're going to look forward to seeing you at the workshop, and get ready to have your plan to get started with your move abroad.